4 boxes of H2. No more of this. This was it. This was it. It's getting so expensive that it's not even worth it. Anymore. Even if it's a fire box, it's just too expensive. It gets hard to get anybody's money back. Box 1. We do have Bowman coming up. It just showed up. So we will be, I gotta go find some pricing and see how to price that thing out. Wow. That's nice. There's supposed to be 2 in a case. Alright guys, here we go. Box 1. Evans. Komet. Van Jefferson. Dwayne Haskins. Disco. Montana. Perry. I haven't seen any of his stuff. We got Peyton Manning. James Robinson. We got a Joe Burrow and Antonio Gibson. Let's get Burrow sleeved up. Joe Burrow. And Antonio Gibson. That is 23 of 25. Washington. 23 of 25. That is Mark. Almost got that jersey number. And Blankenship. His numbered stuff sells for a couple $100. Weirdly. We got Jared Goff. Silver. Rammies. Frankie. We got Russell Wilson. Pittman. Troy Polamalu. And the red is Jeff Okudah. Lions. Nick. 32 of 49. Jeff Okudah, Lions. What's going on, Ricky? The legend, Derek Carr. CJ Henderson. Rice. Duvernay. Vaughn. Jake Fromm, Bills. Tom. Jake Fromm, Bills. Okudah should be good this year. Jordan Love. Packers. Anthony. And Devin Duvernay, Silver. Ravens. Frankie. And that was box 1. Box number 1. Couple nice rookies. 2. Box number 2. Yeah, Okudah should be able to get back. I mean, there's no reason. Because who was that? The Jets. Who was the guy the Jets drafted that was supposed to be the next coming? And he lasted like 3 seasons. Come on, Mark. You're the draft guy. Who was that? No, D. Milner. That's it. D. Milner. Man, that guy was a bust, huh? We got McCaffrey, A.J. Dillon. Box 2. Aikman and Gabriel Davis. Gabriel Davis. 16 of 49. 16 of 49 Bills. Tom. D. Milner. Man, oh man. That guy was supposed to be the next Revis Woodson type player. Rivers. Mahomes. Fitz. LaMichael Perrine. C.J. Ham. Cam Newton. Patriots. Cam Newton Patriots. That is Edward. Edward. Oops. We got Akuda. Keyshawn Vaughn, Bucks, silver. Keyshawn Vaughn, Bucks, silver. Mark. Got another number to 25 and another number 49 here. Looks like. Keyshawn Vaughn. Grasmatos. Dobbins. We got DeAndre Swift and Jalen Hurts, Eagles. Mr. Lindsay, Jalen Hurts, Eagles. 6 of 25. 6 of 25. Nice hit. Congrats. Six of 25. And Justin Herbert base. Justin Herbert base Chargers. Shane. Lamar. Brian Edwards. Jacobs. Jedrick Willis. And Raekwon Davis. I thought it was a Tua. 7 of 49. 7 of 49. Raekwon Davis. Fish. Sean. Higgins and KJ Hamler Broncos. Scott. KJ Hamler Broncos. Scott. That was box 2. Thought you had that, Sean. That was box number 2. 3. I got 2 more boxes, man. Rough crowd. Rough crowd. Where's our auto? We gotta get at least 1 before we run out of boxes. All right. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Edwards. Brian Edwards. Jacobs. Willis. And Jerry Rice 49ers. Jerry Rice 49ers. 25 of 49. 25 of 49. Mark. If I'm a real Raider fan. I've already pulled you a 1-on-1 of him. And we got Jordan Love, Packers. Jordan Love, Packers. Anthony. And Saquon Barkley, silver, Giants. Saquon Barkley, silver, Giants. You guys think he's going to come back and be strong this year? Brent Golson was another big bust. But he was a workout warrior. That was always a big risk for him. Eason. Julio. Epinesa. James Conner. James Conner. Steelers. That is, what number is that? 18 of 49. 18 of 49. Steelers, Robert. There's a blue. We got Julio. Johnson. Chase Young. Allen. Joshua Kelly. And Drew Brees. Drew Brees. Saints. Scott on a tear. 7 of 25. 7 of 25. Nice hit. Denzel and Mike Vrabel Silver. Mike Vrabel Silver. Patriots. Edward. Cam. Queen. Taylor. Baker Disco. Baker Disco. Brownies. Eastmont. Allen and Evans. That was box 3. We were doing legends, those 3 boxes. Box 4. 4th and final. Let's hit a big boy. This is fat. We got a fatty in here. We got a fatty. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Got a green, too. This is going to be the box, guys. This is the monster box. Gabriel Davis. Bills. Connor. Dalton Keene. And we got Mike Vrabel. Titans. That is not what I expected with a green. That is 2 of 5. But I did see somebody trying to get the rainbow the other day. Titans. Tom, so there is somebody out there. You might want to post that in one of the groups. Mike Vrabel, 2 of 5. Nice hit. UFC, I think he didn't tell me if he's got it in today. Derek Brown, Panthers. All right, we got Jeff Okudah. Daryl Taylor. Edwards-Helaire. And the auto is Antonio Gibson. Antonio Gibson. Washington. 1 of 25. Mark. 1 of 25. Mark. Nice hit. Congrats. Nice hit. 1 of 25. And we got Anthony McFarland Disco. Anthony McFarland Disco. Robert. I don't know. I think I have 3 or 4 boxes of UFC. We'll do it. I'll do it cheap. I don't know what they're even charging me for it. But yeah. McFarland. We got a Tua base. Tua base. Miami. That one is Sean. We got all the quarterbacks. Bases of them, at least. Be expensive. Gabriel Davis. Gabriel Davis, Bills. Tom. Might have to do it by weight. Not division, but by the actual weight. Tom, Gabriel Davis silver. Nice hit. We got Aaron Rodgers. Zach Moss. Cam Akers. Alvin Kamara. Alvin Kamara. Saints. Scott. Russell Wilson and Justin Jefferson Vikings. Justin Jefferson Vikings. And to finish her out, we got Arnett, Jalen Hurts, and the red is Jerry Rice again. Jerry Rice. That one is 21 of 49. Mark, 21 of 49. I gotta go get 47 more. $21 of 49. And we got John Elway and John Hightower silver. John Hightower silver Eagles. That is Scott. All right.